Hello and welcome to my newest video. Today I'm going to take a quick first look, a different look at a different kind of game, because on one hand it's not running on the Ethereum blockchain, but it's running on the Nebulous blockchain. I also did another video about the Nebulous blockchain, one of the Nebula blockchain games before, called Bear, I think. It's more of like kind of a children's game in my opinion, but this one is quite interesting. It's just a quick mini game, so to speak, but it kind of shows that you can kind of completely focus on the whole fun aspect of a game and only run the whole cryptocurrency and earning, having a decent return on investment kind of feature completely on the back end, so to speak. So basically, I can't really tell you right now what it says here, because Firefox doesn't really have any kind of way to translate these websites, unfortunately, but maybe you can kind of get it from Google Chrome. So I'm going to open that on the other window. So what's quite interesting about this game, it's really simple. As I said before, it's a mini game and it runs on the Nebulous, an open source blockchain platform, as well, opposed to Ethereum and Neo and some of the other blockchain technologies out there. And well, what does it say? So it says here, set of rings to illustrate. The set of blockchain game is an open source fair game blockchain game based on the Nebula chain public chain. The game is completely open source and is a casual fair game. The developers don't make any money. The rules of the games are as follows. The players get the initial score of the game by playing a set of circle games. Then spend, so that you actually can play for free. You can start for free, and then you have to spend 0.01 NAS. So that's the currency of Nebulas, and I think that's around €4. So maybe like $6. So that's pretty much like nothing. That's actually really low amount of money you have to spend to actually enjoy the game. Again, it's just a mini game. It doesn't really provide too much gameplay, but it does provide gameplay in a fun way. So I hope I have my system sounds on. So if you click on start, you basically just have to match the kind of circles, and once they hit the right time, it kind of provides this really nice melody, in my opinion, which is really cool. So once I don't really hit it, I actually have to restart the whole thing, as far as I understand. So I have to restart. Let's try this again. I hope you can actually hear the music. My god, I'm really bad at this game already. It's quite late here. I apologize. Let's do this again. Okay, so I have to really hit it at the right time, otherwise it won't work. Can't even miss it by an inch. I really have to concentrate, my god. That's actually really cool. And it gets faster and faster. So yeah, it's an actual game. I'm pretty sure it's not really too new, this kind of concept, but it works really well. Kind of gives you a nice melody, almost like a song. Gets faster and faster and more complicated. Okay. So yeah, and this time, as far as I understand, I actually have to spend some Nebulas to restart, to kind of maybe start at the same place where I kind of left off, or maybe I always have to restart and have to pay once I have kind of spent my free time on the game. But yeah, it's really a small, quick game. Definitely check it out. Also, what's quite interesting, I don't know if you've heard about Dab Review instead of Dab Radar, for example, one of the other websites that kind of provide all these different information about current dApps, especially when it comes to games, decentralized apps. So that's where I kind of got the idea and the game from. Another one, the Bear one I talked about earlier as well. And you can click on NAS and you can actually see all the, especially Chinese, Asian crypto games, blockchain games, which is quite interesting. And this game is the one that I just tested out, the Heimashi game, and it actually just had a really high surge in players, daily active users. So it has around 400 daily active users right now. It doesn't really spend too much NAS, because obviously it doesn't cost too much, but at the same time it kind of gives you the opportunity to just play it and enjoy the game and make some money on the side. And especially when it becomes more popular, excuse me, then you can kind of even make a decent return on investment, I guess. It also has a few EOS games, but there aren't too many out yet, or not too many registered on the site, and also a lot of Ethereum games, obviously being at the forefront, the most popular development framework on the blockchain, which is quite interesting. So yeah, definitely check out deb.review as well. I think it has a much better user interface than some of the other deb lists as website forms out there. But yeah, I'm going to post a link to heimashi.github.io in the video description. Check it out. Also, as I always say, please don't take this video as financial advice. If you think about playing this game, do your due diligence first. Don't spend too much, nevertheless, as you can afford. Well, only spend as much as you can afford to lose, obviously. Other than that, hope you like this short video, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.